In this video I'm going to share how you can get free shares and make money online. Now don't worry, because you do not need to understand stocks and shares or anything like that. This is really simple to do, it's really easy, and what I'm going to do in this video is basically this is a 3-week update. So I went ahead and signed up to this company, what I'm going to show you in this video, and I'll just show you exactly how you can do this, how you can get a free share. Once you've got that free share, how to go ahead and sell that, and then I'll briefly explain how it works, and I'm going to share my results with you. But if you missed part 1, don't worry, I'll drop a link down below for it, and I'll just give you an overview of how you can go ahead and pretty much get set up with this method. It'll take you about 5 minutes from start to finish to go ahead, do this, and then get a free share. Now that free share can be worth anything from £6 up to £100. So I'll show you some of the different free shares that I have been given in this video, and hopefully if you go ahead and you do this, then you might get a decent share. You may also get one worth £6, but at the end of the day it is still free money. So let's jump into this, and I'll just basically walk you through the process and share my results. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. If this is the first time you're on the channel, then hello and welcome, and to all the regulars, hello and welcome back. So if you like really simple, really easy ways to make money online and work from home, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comments down below whether you found this video useful, even in fact if you've gone ahead and used this method, because I know some of the viewers have actually gone ahead and used this method and made some money doing this. So let us know in the comments down below if you've used it and how much you actually earned from doing so. And if you found this video useful, then go ahead and give the video a like for me. I'd really appreciate that. But basically this here is the video that I did. It says on here 2 weeks ago, but it's 3 weeks tomorrow. So I'm calling it my 3-week results, except for it's a day early basically. So this was the video that we did coming on 3 weeks ago, and it's basically how to earn free shares. So I'll show you exactly how much I've currently got in my account now. So I'll just show you this picture here. So this is over on Facebook, but don't worry, I'll show you my actual earnings in a minute. So this is currently what is in my Trading 212 account, and this has all been absolutely free. But then scroll across here. Let me see what picture's next on here for you. This here. So basically, you can see these different. This one here. So this share at £23.05. This one here at £34.76. We've then got another one here at £12.94, and another one here at £14.29. So once you go ahead and you open up an account with this website, and I'll show you the website in a second, you get given a share, and it can be like I said at the beginning, it can be anywhere from £6 up to £100. So all of these shares here, regardless of whether it says buy or sell, these are all different shares that I've been given. And you can see on here, when it says buy, this is basically the company giving you a free share, and sell, obviously when you sell that share, it's basically you're getting your free money. So I'm going to click on the next one here, see what the next one is. So you can see on here, this is withdrawal. So I withdrew £100, and then the following day I withdrew £50, and these all landed in my Skrill account pretty much straight away. Now Skrill is very similar to PayPal, but you do not have to make a deposit with Skrill or PayPal. You can also go ahead and do a deposit via bank card. But all you need to remember is, whichever way you go ahead and do a deposit into this company here, this is where they will send the money back to. So I deposited £1 in Skrill, and obviously this money went over back into Skrill. So that is my withdrawals on the platform so far, and you can see it on here. Here's a couple more different shares that I got given. So I got one at £67.10, and then I also got one here at £10.59. Now, just to prove to you that this is, anyone could basically go and grab screenshots. So let me go to the beginning one. So this one here, 250.45. Go on here. It's actually gone down by 3 cents, but can you see that there? Hang on. You can see 250.42, so it's actually gone down 3 cents, because these are shares basically which are live on the market and they've been trading at the time. So I've currently got 250, and I've already withdrawn 150. So basically I've earned £400. Well, actually online I've earned £399, because you have to go ahead and deposit £1 in the beginning. So let me go ahead and show you this and how it all works, but I just wanted to show you the proof. And basically, because I like to trial and test things and share results with you also, that is that. So let's go over here onto the website, and I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can go ahead and do this. So this is the website. It's called Trading 212, and you can see at the top the URL is Trading 212 England /free stock trading referral. So basically what this company here are doing, they're running what is known as a loss leading market promotion. So they're going ahead and they're trying to get a lot more users onto the platform, and by their incentive to get people on the platform is giving away these free shares here. So you can see on here, you can get a free share worth up to £100. So the whole process of how this works is you can only get a free share if you get invited. So there's a link down below. Now I'll make it perfectly clear, if you click on the link down below, you will get a free share worth up to £100, but then so will I'll also get a free share. And that's basically how I was able to go ahead and earn so much money with doing this, because I've basically recommended it to my friends, I've recommended it to my wife, my sister, and many more people, because everyone who you recommend it to, and they go through this process I'm going to share with you, you both get a free share. So recommending it and sharing it to other people, it's a great way to go and basically get more money. So this is the platform here, it's called Trading 212. Now if I scroll down here, I'm going to show you some information about this page here. So look, all this looks really complicated if you don't know about stocks and shares, and this could be a little bit, intimidating and put you off, but it really doesn't need to do. It's really simple, and I'll show you a couple of examples of this. But this Trading 212, it's currently the UK's #1 trading and investing app. You can see it's had over 14 million downloads, over 40,000 customers, and then the app is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store with the certain ratings here. And I'll show you inside the app in a second. But if we just come down here, I just want to show you a couple of things to put your mind at ease, really. So if I come down the page here, free investing for real, come down here. You've got the markets which it goes ahead and trades on. So these are not any Mickey Mouse trading things. You've got the Nasdaq. Hang on, let me take this up here. You've got the London Stock Exchange, you've got the Nasdaq, you've got many more on here. So these are all the big stock exchanges where they're going ahead and trading on. But Trading 212, if I come down here, I just want to show you this. Where is it? Basically, it's all legitimate, it's all above board, and they're all exactly as they should be. You can see, where is it? Come on here. The company is backed by, hang on, sorry, I must have gone past it up here. Come up here. Scroll back up here. Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you, because when I mentioned this to some people, they were like, is this a scam? Is this a dodgy company? It absolutely is not. Trading 212, it's authorised and regulated FCA. So this is the Financial Conduct Authority. Now, absolutely, you can go ahead and be regulated by this company here. In order for the Financial Conduct Authority to be involved, you've got to go through and you've got to have a year's worth of figures and be 100% legitimate and above board. You've also got the FSCS over here, so you can see the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. So they're all absolutely backed by all this sort of stuff. So in this, you've got absolutely no concerns or no worries. Trading 212, it's a legitimate platform. I have no worries recommending this to you. You can see they've been mentioned over in the Financial Times, Forbes, Finance Magnets, and many more places. So how do you go ahead and get a free share? Well, it's really simple. I'm going to scroll up to the top and I'll show you this. Just drag this up to the top here. So basically, you get a free share, you click on the link which is down below, and then you've got to go ahead and open up a trading account. So this is the one you want to open. It's called the Trading 212 Invest account. So when you download the app, there's 3 different platforms basically. This is the one you want to be looking for. It's the Trading 212 Invest. Let me show you that on my phone so you can see. So you see here, hang on, sorry. On the top here, along the top, it's the middle one. So you want the Trading 212 Invest, and then once you've opened up that account, and you just go through, you put in your name, usual stuff, name, email, address. You also need to put in your national insurance number, because again, these are backed by the financial services, so it's all legitimate and all above board. But once you've done that, you go ahead and you make a small deposit of £1 onto the platform. Now you don't need to spend that money, you don't need to do anything with that deposit. You make a deposit for £1. Once that £1 has been deposited onto the platform, you will then get given a free share worth up to £100. Now, as you saw in the images at the beginning, you do not know how much that free share will be. So far I've had shares in Fitbit, I've had them in BMW, I've had them in a company, General Electric and Credit Suisse, and many more. So it's just luck of the draw. You do not know which share you're going to be getting, but you're definitely going to get one. So this is Trading 212. I'll very quickly show you it over on the Google Play Store. So you can see on here, current rating of 4.3. So if I go over to the App Store here, and I'll show you exactly how the app looks, because to be honest with you, with me keep doing this and trying to get it on the camera, it doesn't look very good, does it? I just can't get it in the middle. So this is the app. So let me go on here and click on here, and I'll show you all these pictures. But basically, this is how it looks. But all you need to remember when you're doing this, you make a deposit of £1, and then you need the trading 212 invest out of the 3, so it's the middle one basically. And then once you've done your £1 deposit, you'll get given a free share. And then after that, once you've been given your free share, you can simply sell that and then withdraw the money back into your bank account, or you can share it with your friends, your family. You know, if you're on YouTube maybe, or Instagram, Twitter, blog, wherever, you simply share that, and then if anyone signs up, they will get a free share, and then you will also get a free share. So it's a pretty good promotion, and it's a loss-leading promotion for this company, but they're just trying to get more people on the platform basically. But this is the app. You can go through and have a look at these pictures, but if you don't know anything about stocks and shares, don't worry about all this on here, because you're not going to be doing any of this. You simply get given your free share. So let me come off here. What I was going to say is you can go through here and have a look at all of the reviews on here and see what everyone says. The one thing what I do like about this company is on every single platform you can see they respond to every single message that they get on here, and it's the same over on the App Store. Everyone who posts a comment on here, they respond back to absolutely everyone. And then finally, if you scroll down to the bottom of here as well, I just want to see if they've got, I'm sure they have, yeah, so you can see on here they've got links on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and then you can go ahead and do deposits via Skrill, which is basically an online payment processor similar to PayPal, and then you've got Visa and normal bank cards and everything. But that is today's video. I just wanted to give you an update on that. So that is a 3-week update on this, and what I'm going to be doing with my money that I've earned from here is I'm going to be withdrawing that, and well, I've already withdrawn some. I'm just going to be purchasing some cryptocurrency with mine and seeing if I can go ahead and multiply that. So that's it for today's video. If you've got any questions, leave them below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.